Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is gamma distribution. In this topic we are going to learn the 2 points. The first point is cumulant generating function, which is abbreviated by CGF, and the second point is cumulants. So let us start with the first point, cumulant generating function. Cumulant generating function is abbreviated by CGF. Let us start with the definition. If x follow gamma with parameter theta and n, then the CGF of gamma distribution is defined as kxt equal to log of mxt, where mxt is the MGF of a random variable x. Here log is a natural logarithm, log to the base e. In the previous lecture we have already learned the MGF of gamma distribution and its derivation. If student want to learn that lecture, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. So we shall move to the next step. Log of the value of MGF is 1 minus t upon theta raised to minus n. So it is minus n log 1 minus t upon theta. Power can be multiplied to the logarithm. Here, to expand log 1 minus t upon theta, we take the help of formula log 1 minus x. In exponential distribution, I have explained the formula of log 1 minus x. In this lecture also, I will write the formula of log 1 minus x. It is minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus dot 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 up to infinity. By comparing this expansion, we can write the value of log 1 minus t upon theta. Here t upon theta is the value of x. So it is minus t upon theta minus t upon theta square divided by 2 minus t upon theta cube divided by 3 minus dot 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 up to infinity. After multiplying the minus sign inside the bracket, we get kxt is equal to n into t upon theta plus 1 upon theta square into t square by 2 plus 1 by theta cube t cube by 3. Similarly 1 upon theta raised to 4 t raised to 4 divided by 4 plus dot 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 up to infinity. In the above expression, I will adjust the factorials in order to obtain the cumulants more easily. Like this, first term is t by theta plus 1 by theta square into t square by 2 is nothing but 2 factorial 1 upon theta cube. In the third term, I will adjust the 3 factorial in the denominator. Means I have to write 2 t cube divided by 3 factorial. Similarly, in the fourth step, I will adjust 4 factorial in the denominator. For that, I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So it is 6 t raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial plus dot 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 up to infinity. This is our cumulant generating function of gamma distribution. Now we shall start with cumulants of gamma distribution. Cumulants, hence the cumulants of gamma distribution. We know that the first cumulant K1 is equal to coefficient of t in the cumulant generating function kxt, which is equal to, we will find the coefficient of t. Look at this expression. Here the coefficient of t is n upon theta. Let me write one step more by multiplying n inside the bracket in order to find out the coefficients of t raised to r upon r factorial for the rth cumulant. So let me multiply it. N by theta into t plus n upon theta square into t square by 2 factorial plus n upon theta cube 2n by theta cube into t cube by 3 factorial plus 6n by theta raised to 4 multiplied by t raised to 4 by 4 factorial. Then the coefficient of t is n upon theta. Hence the first cumulant is n by theta. K1 equal to n upon theta. The second cumulant K2 is equal to coefficient of t square upon 2 factorial in the cumulant generating function kxt. So we shall see the coefficient of t square by 2 factorial. Observe the last expression of cumulant generating function. N upon theta square is the coefficient of t square by 2 factorial. Similarly, 2n by theta cube is the coefficient of t cube upon 3 factorial, which is the third cumulant. And for the fourth cumulant, the coefficient of t raised to 4 upon 4 factorial is 6n by theta raised to 4. So we will write all these cumulant. K2 equal to n upon theta square, and we know that K2 equal to mu 2, means second cumulant is same as the variance of a random variable x. Similarly, K3 equal to coefficient of t raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial in kxt. As we have observed earlier, the coefficient of t cube by 3 factorial is 2n divided by theta cube, and which is also same as the third central moment mu 3. Now we will obtain the last cumulant K4 is equal to coefficient of t raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial in the cumulant generating function kxt. As we have seen, the coefficient of t raised to 4 by 4 factorial in the final expression of expansion of kxt, and it is 6n divided by theta square. These are the cumulants which we have obtained from the cumulant generating function of a gamma distribution. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the cumulant generating function of a gamma distribution and the derivation of cumulant generating function, and we obtain further from the cumulant generating function how we can obtain the cumulants of a gamma distribution. If students like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel for the upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. If student have some query, then please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query as soon as possible. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic from a gamma distribution. Till then, we will stop here. Further, many more concepts are taken in the Learn Statistics channel. If students want to learn the topics and the basic terms, then please click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. We will meet in the next lecture with a new topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.